What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can add money to your PayPal account. Now if you're a non-resident out of the United States, or if you're not like in a country like Canada, you're not able to link your bank account directly to PayPal platform, and this will prevent you from adding money directly to your PayPal balance. So what you need to do exactly is just create another PayPal account and then link your Visa, credit or MasterCard to PayPal, and then you're going to send yourself some money. And that's literally how easy it is to add money to your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you need to do is head over to paypalinternational.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Once you're there, select sign up. You're pretty much going to create another account. Now sign up for a personal account. Ensure your email address is different from the one that you're already using. So let me select Jamaica here. So once you have specified your phone number, select next. Complete the required information. So at this point you're going to need to complete your nationality, date of birth, ID and address. Agree to the terms of agreement, agree and create account. So the next step is we're going to say not sure and skip to add payment method. So here we're going to be specifying our debit or credit card number. So because I'm using the Wise Visa card, so it's going to send me a notification for me to approve adding my Wise Visa card to PayPal. So depending on the credit card or debit card you're using, you may not require to do that step right there. So the next step is to go on send and request. Specify your other PayPal account and specify the amount that you want to send. So let's say a dollar, and let's say just a loan. Send payment now, and that's pretty much how you'd add money to your PayPal account. So let's log into my other account and verify that I've received the $1. So let's log out and go over to that account right now. So here we go, 65 cents, because as you know, PayPal is going to charge some fee. So that's pretty much the workaround on how you would add money to your PayPal account. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out some of my other videos if you're interested in personal finance and investing. See you in the next video.